how to install Posrog in this video. Do I boot? I have already downloaded Posrog and link in the description, and Posrog is the stack there and wait.
2,000 years later.
Wait and extract complete and ISO open folder and Posrog and go to the Rufus download link description. Rufus is open. Pen drive inside 6 GB and go to the select Posrog and start.
2,000 years later.
Install is complete and close. Restart this PC. Open to boot menu. And select UEFI SanDisk. And enter. And Posrog select. Save, enter, ext select, yes, wait, and select, yes. I want to click installation, yes, and wait, dominate, wait, complete, and reboot. Boot menu and select Posrog, enter, and wait. Automatically print. And wait. And go to the select, let's go and set up a new and network setup. Continue. Just a second. Select. And is selected. Next. Name your name. My name is Shahi and selected. Signify Afusha and more select in expect. All set. Launcher. And Posrog is installed in dual boot.